As I promised you guys, the Supra update is finally about to happen. I drove up to Rad Industries today. We're gonna check out the Supra, see what progress has been made. Have some bad news. And this is like a shitty way to start the video because I never like technically told you guys about this, but you saw it in like probably some Instagram posts like a long time ago. I bought a big brake kit for this car. They were massive Brembos from an SRT8. Like, look at my face, look at this caliper. These were actually bigger than my Ferrari ones. And unfortunately, because I have the HREs on the car and they are 18s with a step lip 17 faces, these don't fit. I think a customer of Dan's buying them from me. He says he wants them, so I'm dropping them off. But I'll show you guys in a second. But these are so beautiful, so bummed. The tape is on there because that was test fitting, but so bummed I didn't actually use this. Like, look at these rotors. Ugh. Some of you are probably like, Tej, just get new wheels, make it fit. And to be honest, I've been like debating this for like honestly 4 or 5 months now. I love the wheel setup on the Supra so much that I don't want to get rid of them or rebarrel them because they were really expensive. Yeah, like these are massive. They are like the biggest brakes you can get. Like, look at this. It's bigger than my Ferrari setup. And those are carbon ceramic Brembos. I'll show Joe.
It's like, just makes you laugh, it's so big.
The calipers on our helicopter, they were actually that size.
So it's like, yeah, you want to stop good? Okay.
At this point, if your customer doesn't buy them, someone on the video will definitely buy them off me. So
he'll buy them. He wants them. He wants to make it super cool, but he doesn't.
I'm bummed, dude. I'm so bummed that I didn't end up using it. Oh, my clutch is here. All right, the bumper hasn't been drilled or anything yet, but I'm antsy and I want to get in the way of everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on just because I want to show you guys, and well, mainly I want to see it. Doesn't fit perfectly. We're gonna have to do some slight modification to it. And I left the hood at home. Well, it sits a little weird on that side.
Well, because it's not in.
You can't even say you're excited because you have a million of these.
Fanny pack.
There were so many comments about that, Cal. They're like, what is he wearing? It's a Tomb Raider bag.
Okay, I don't like the way fanny packs look, and I like how Tomb Raider is. And I looked it up, it's called a drop leg pack.
It's sketchy because it looks like you're wearing a gun holster, Cal.
Yeah, that's the point. Yeah, it's called a drop leg.
Wow.
Yeah, from this point forward, everyone, all the employees at Rad Industries have to wear this to carry their tools on.
And you have gloves. Perfect, yeah.
He just has his gloves on lock.
You're not wearing gloves, are you?
I'm wearing gloves. I'm only getting my
So now you guys actually get a full look at what I meant. How there's gonna be a trim of carbon underneath the whole entire car. So it starts there, and the trim follows on the side skirts. And then just like the RX-7, it wraps around in the back. Oh my gosh. This is probably my favorite build right now, and I miss this car so much. So one thing that a lot of people do on Supras is they upgrade the headlights. Like we did on the taillights, I upgraded those to the 98 tails. Those are very different, they look different. These are the 93 headlights. When I look at the 98s on video and pictures, I've never seen a difference.
These are the
What is the hold this, Scalf.
So it's like the gunmetal gray background or whatever, and then there's less like interference, like lines or anything.
Oh, like the plasticking rectangles?
Like, it tells the beam where to head or whatever. It's just kind of like open. Yeah. And then the dark gray is like similar to the 98 taillights.
That is true.
It's like noticeably different if you like, or different if you like were to take a picture of your car with these and then with this, you'll be like, oh, it looks newer or whatever.
No, I
mean, I don't really see it.
No, because
so these are Euro with glass. So these have glass here, and then he like de-lambed it or whatever you say. You like cook it, and then he did it black, put it back together. It's a little foggy though. He needs to think about redoing that one.
You really didn't notice it? As soon as we
never, even still, like, I see it, but like I don't see it.
As soon as we drove up, what am I doing? What am I doing? As soon as we drove up, it's on that Supra over there. I was like, oh, those headlights are cool. They look aftermarket.
How much are those, Dan? Those are like brand new in box.
Yeah, so they're like 500 corner, so it's like 1,000.
Oof.
A little more maybe.
Oof.
The taillights were super cheap though, right?
The taillights are cheap, but the harnesses are expensive.
Yeah.
That's where I got I was like, oh dude, 200 bucks, and then I was like, oh no, now you gotta source, you gotta source more shit for taillights. But
this is not in.
I don't know if I'll ever.
I've never broke a taillight before.
Yeah, Dan's never shredded a taillight. All right, so while the car's been here, Dan and Joe have been doing some stuff on the car, a lot of fab work. A lot of stuff was on this manifold. We were talking about how we need to mount all these sensors and tap and throw these in here, and they've already started doing some of that. Started mounting the intercooler yesterday. They haven't done the piping yet, but the intercooler is pretty much mounted where it's gonna sit. This is like the first car that I have like a wide open intercooler that is just ass asking to get like a bird sent through it and destroy my car. One of the main reasons why I love having my car here at Rad Dan's is because of this tool right here. They can make any line you want in-house. I wanted to redo the whole entire fuel system. So they put in AN lines from the fuel pumps, ran it beautifully all the way underneath to our filter, and that is gonna go up to the fuel rails, and it's all AN, nice and pretty. No bunk old wires, especially for this car. This car being so old and keeping stock fuel lines is never a good idea. ACT also sent me my clutch and flywheel for this car. We're running ACT in both the JZs. We're running it on the 350 and on the Supra. And I wanna go ahead and show you guys this because the attention to detail on these parts is one of my favorite things about ACT. They even stamp Huntingco logos everywhere they can on the hardware, and they usually engrave it on the clutch and flywheel and stuff. And beyond that, it always comes with everything you need, and you'll be surprised, a lot of clutch kits that I've gotten in the past don't come with throw-out bearings, don't come with all the extra stuff and grease, and it's just nice knowing that when you get a clutch, it comes with everything that you do need for it. Quick little peep of Joe fabbing up some magic.
So that thing's gonna get lopped off right about here, but I just left it long so I could get an idea of where the intercooler piping is gonna go. I'll bead roll it right there, and we'll kind of work our way over the intercooler.
I wish I knew how to do fab stuff, but I don't. Rip me. Before I go, I'm actually gonna take this back with us. I wanna get this thing painted, and I wanna hear you guys' comments down below. So the whole car is black, obviously. If this were the VVTi motor, I would probably leave this that blue because I don't know why I really like that blue, but this non-VVTi has like this ugly, like weird gray color. Should we paint this thing gloss black and have it like flow really well with the car? Like imagine that gloss black, and then this whole entire kit that we have is all like gloss black piping. So it would like kind of look uniformed, right? Because you'd have like gloss black on gloss black. Or should we paint that like bright red, like the color that we have in the 350, or maybe like lime green? I don't know. You guys have a recommendation. Do we paint it black or do we paint it something else? Leave your comments down below.
Back to the traffic, T.
There's no traffic.
There was.
Oh, bro, there might be traffic. Bro,
I'm trying to. I have to go watch some doggos, bro.
Oh, you said Emily said you didn't have to do that.
I didn't have to do it, but now I have to because we're going back early, bro.
Just don't tell her, bro.
No, bro, because it's here, bro.
She doesn't watch the videos, bro.
Come on, bro. I can't do that, bro.
Bro, don't tell her.
I already got my ass ate, bro.
I won't tell her.
I'm sore, bro.
They won't say anything. I promise, bro. You guys promise?
You guys come to my Twitch and clip shit that I say and send it to Emily. I don't trust them, bro. I don't trust them.
There's a lot of traffic.
Bro.
No, that's good because now you won't be home in time.
Bro.
Calvin has to go like dog watch or some shit like
I gotta go.
What are you, married, bro?
I gotta pick up some poop, bro.
Bro.
I gotta pick up my, I pooped on the floor, bro.
Are you married to her?
No,
I don't
bro,
see a ring on that, bro.
I may as well, bro.
Damn.
I may as well, bro.
It hurts.
She's trying to eat. I'm trying to play games. I'm trying to stream, bro. I'm trying to play games with you, bro. Don't, bro. I'm hungry, bro, too. Like, let's go. Come on, bro.
I'm hungry. I would eat. I'd
eat that.
I'd eat that. I'd do it. So shout out to Dan. They're doing all the fab work on the car. We need to learn how to fab, Cal, because like
we have all the
everything that they're doing.
Bro, Porsche support.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Sorry, bro. It's just a Porsche. You gotta say hi to me.
I want that car to be nice, bro. Supras are selling like hotcakes now. There was at the Barrett-Jackson auction, a 97 Supra with 70,000 miles sold for like $160,000, bro.
Yikes, bro. So along with, come on, bro.
It was stock,
bro. You can't. You already sold the RX-7. You're gonna sell the
Supra. Stop saying that.
No, the Supra. You can't do it to the store. Do it to him.
Stop saying that.
Don't auction the Supra, bro.
Stop saying that.
The RX-7's already gone, bro. You'd have no remorse. What's next? The B or Z, bro? TJ, sell it. Hide your cars. Hide your wheels. TJ selling them all out here.
I just wanted the fabrication that, sure, we might be able to do it, but the quality would be bunk, bro. Bro. Get out my ear, bro.
Selling them all, bro.
Nah, fam. No, but seriously though, the fabrication's coming out really good. We're doing all the stuff that we just don't have the knowledge of doing. So shout out to Dan. I know you guys are itching to see Supra content, and trust me, bro, once we get the car back and it's like dialed in, we're gonna go to the dyno, and we got so much plans. We got plans, bro. Bro, how is it, bro? Oh.